Flowers, birds, trees, rocks, vegetables, grass, and insects are the main favorite subjects of Chinese flower and bird paintings. Compared with figures and landscapes, flower and bird paintings are more expressive of what the author feels and thinks about life. Carrying forward the style of the Yangzhou school of eight eccentrics and the modern Hai Sheng school of painting, contemporary painter Shen Wei Feng is well versed in a range of subject matters. He is regarded as one of the best flower and bird painters in contemporary China. Shen was matriculated into the traditional painting academy of Jiangsu province at the age of 18 to learn painting from Ye Juwu, a home student of famous painter Zheng Daqian, who is noted for his simple method of teaching by starting with calligraphy and drawing leaves and branches. Shen soon understood the essence of the teaching. He carefully observed the shapes and movements of flowers, birds, fish, and insects, and shut himself in his makeshift studio, drawing whatever he saw. The birds under his brush, be they in the limelight or hidden among flowers, trees, and rocks, are indispensable bright spots in his pictures. The look of birds is accurately captured, absolutely lifelike. The sparrows flying in for food, the Chinese bulbul perched on pine branches, the babbling thrush on Chinese wisteria flower, the turtle dove hidden in the brush of morning glory, and the colorful golden pheasant dragging its long tail. The moving birds are combined with still flowers and vines. Good Companion features a pair of mandarin ducks swimming freely in the water, breaking the tranquility of the pool, very much in love, reluctant to part with each other. The feathers of the birds show shades of dry and wet spots, rich in gradation of colors. The insects under his brush are naturally interesting and as humorous as they can be. The busy bees, the butterflies dancing in the cool breeze, thrill-singing cicadas, the lithe and graceful dragonflies, the sword-wielding manatees, and crickets near the grapevines. All these pictures present a vivid and interesting microscopic world. Drinking the Clear Dew is very creative in composition. It portrays mature lotus seed cases attracting a swarm of honeybees. On the tall and slender stem is a large green cricket, and the tender pink lotus flowers are hidden behind the lotus leaves, looking particularly enchanting. By using his colorful imagination, the painter has created an enchanting movement in the corner of the lotus pond. The fish under his brush and the shrimp and crabs have all come to life simply by a few brush strokes. In the picture Goldfish, by employing the inverted and uneven brush strokes, the author is given a touch of change in the shapes that are richly appealing. The dark-colored water weeds and the Spanish red goldfish present a sharp contrast. The painter's deep love of nature and life has made his imagination fly, setting his brush to paper in an intense train of thought, using water, ink, and colors in consummate freedom, resulting in numerous movements of life.